Hi and welcome to Talking Sense. I made a statement in class yesterday, and it's a new class that we've just begun, and I was a bit taken aback by the response, but the truth of the matter is I've heard that response differently. What do you think of when you hear there is never enough money? Yes, so the response I got was, there was an agreement somewhere in the room. And it got me thinking, because once we began discussing the session, it became clear that sense of there's never enough money is that our expenses are constantly catching up with our income. So there are two things we must do. We must increase the speed of growth of our income, and then we also have to control the growth of our expenses so that there's that gap. It gives you a space in which now you feel like there is more money coming up. Why is this so true? Because we've been training in personal finance for over 10 years here at Centonomy. And the thing is, we found that the problem of somebody earning 12,000 is the same problem as that person earning 1.2 million. Let me explain. If you're earning 12,000 bob, you probably be spending rent of about maybe 3,000 shillings out of that. And the thing is, if you're earning 120, you might be spending 30,000. If you're earning 1.2 million, it's very easy. It's very easy if you're earning 1.2 million to be spending rent of 300,000. You see, the proportions are just the same, and therefore you feel the same, like I don't have enough money for the things that we want to do. So we must begin to increase the rate of our income, and we must also manage our expenses so that they're not moving at the same rate, which allows for there to be a gap and a sense of growth and an abundance in your life. These are the core messages when it comes to personal financial management, and I hope they're helpful to you. We discuss in all the videos that we have here, and that's why I suggest that you subscribe. We discuss seriously some areas in which that they can help you increase your income, and we also discuss some areas which can help you manage your expenses. Subscribe, it will be helpful, and it will get you to the point where you feel like there's enough money for life. Do comment, and let's have a discussion. See you later on Talking Sense.